Simply replaces the 7-way connector that came with your vehicle. Multitow provides multiple towing options from one connector. Impact and corrosion resistant. Utilizes OEM connectors for enhanced fit and weatherproofing. Includes dust cover and mounting bracket. Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation makes your towing experience simpler and more rewarding through innovation and value. Hopkins offers a variety of towing solutions including vehicle wiring kits, adapters, vehicle and trailer connectors, breakaway systems and much more. Today, more than 40% of retail category sales are generated from Hopkins innovations. T-connectors keep you from having to cut into your vehicle's wiring system. This is quicker than cutting and splicing and keeps the integrity of your vehicle's wiring system intact. Top reviews from the United States. So easy. Directly fit as a factory replacement. So easy. No issues. Now if actually have an additional 4-wire connection without having to keep an adapter in the door panel of my 3/4 ton Ram. I gonna use the old one to power a trailer jack with a 20V battery portable. That way I don't have to back the truck up any time I want to adjust the jack.